Hello everybody. I haven't done a video in a while, and I'm at work, and I decided to take a walk outside, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's little aphids on a tree, and there's little ants right there watching over them. I've never seen a real aphid in real life other than on the Discovery Channel, and this whole branch is full of them. I didn't know what they were, but then I looked closer and I see the ants taking care of them, and then there's some over here. There's like a lot of them. I don't know if I have to turn my light on, if it makes a difference. Right there. Wait, let me get my finger in the shot. All that. And then there's some also over here. Maybe this is a little bit better. Where'd it go? See, a little ant just went back there. There's one right here. There's also a bunch of honeysuckle over here. Let me see if I can see it. Right there. And then up there, all of that, you can't see it, but all of that through this whole path from there is honeysuckle. And then there's like a bunch over here. It smells beautiful. Wait. There. Better shot. And then here's a little spider web. Now this is just nice. Oh, butterfly. Alright. Have a good day. Blessed be.